Hello everyone. Today we have a problem from circuit theory, and I have chosen a topic which is very important and you can expect a lots of question and the application in other question of this concept. So I am starting with a very simple problem first. So as you see in the diagram, you have to find the current I naught here. To solve this problem, you need to understand one theory which is known as KCL or Kirchhoff's current law. The scientist Kirchhoff has given us two laws, one is current law and one is voltage law. Okay, the current law is also known as the Kirchhoff's first law and the voltage law is also known as Kirchhoff's second law. Okay, now what does it say? This current law says that, I'll write it here. Now let's understand this with few example. So algebraic sum of the currents entering a node or a closed boundary is always 0. Now what is the meaning of a node? Node is basically a point where you can connect multiple components, and like in this question you see that there is in the middle that point, we will call it a node. Okay, so you can also take this node as any point in the circuit, that then also it will follow this law. And a closed boundary is like, suppose I have a circuit like this, and there is something else in this side, whatever. Okay, now if I draw a boundary like this, let's assume the current is here is 2 ampere. Let's say here entering 3 ampere. So obviously it will exit from this side, which will be 5 ampere. The current will get add up and it will exit from the right hand side. So now you see, if you check the boundary, the entering current you have to take positive and the exiting current you will be taking as negative, or you can do vice versa also, like the entering you can take negative, but normally we take the entering current as the positive current and the exiting current as the negative current. So you see that 2 and 3 is entering, so plus 2 plus 3, and 5 is leaving, so that will be minus 5, so that will be 0. So this is the meaning of that closed boundary. Now if you take any point, you can take this example only. Let's take a point here. This is, let's say, a node or just a point. So you can see from the left side the current is entering and from the right side the current is leaving. So from the left side, when it is entering, we will take plus 5 and the right hand side will take minus 5. So that again it will give you 0. Okay, so this is the meaning of this Kirchhoff's current law. Now you can see the question. So there is a node and take the entering current as positive and the exiting current is as negative. So plus 2 is entering, then 10 is leaving, so we'll take minus 10. I naught is also leaving, so minus I naught, and 4 is entering, so it will take plus 4. This will be equal to 0. So if we calculate this, you will get minus 4 minus I naught is equal to 0, or I naught is equal to minus 4, right? So you have to take that I naught, like you have to keep it as minus only, you cannot change it to plus, because as the current direction is given in the problem, you cannot change that, and you have to take you have to be careful with the current direction. Okay, so here is the answer is I naught will be equal to minus 4 ampere. So that's all for this question. In future we will do many more questions and we will be using this concept again and again in so many problems. So you must have a very good idea about this Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, I hope this topic is very clear now, but still if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you.